Get ready. 3, 2, 1, start. The appellants have filed the present appeal against the judgment of conviction and order of sentence dated 9/8/1994 passed by the Additional Sessions Judge Rohtas in Sessions Trial Number 20 of 1983. The Additional Sessions Judge, vide judgment and order dated 21/8/1994, convicted the appellants for offence under Section 302, read with Section 149 of the Indian Penal Code and also under Section 202 of the Indian Penal Code. The appellants have been sentenced to undergo rigorous imprisonment for life for offence under Section 302, read with Section 149 of the Indian Penal Code, and 3 years rigorous imprisonment for offence under Section 202 of the Indian Penal Code. However, the trial court directed both the sentences to run concurrently. The prosecution case, as per the Fard Bayan recorded by the sub-inspector on 11/4/1984, is that in the evening of 11/4/1984, the informant and his brother were going to their village. It is further alleged that the accused appellants, who were armed with gun, bhala and lathi, had caught the informant's brother and carried him in the khalihan of the accused person, and there they sought fire on him, due to which the informant's brother died. It is further alleged that after killing the deceased, the accused persons had carried away the dead body, and on raising halla by the informant, his brother and other villagers arrived and had also seen the occurrence. It is further alleged that accused was saying that he is the person giving information to the police and getting them apprehended. It is further alleged that on the date of occurrence itself, during the day hour, the police had arrived in the village, and after departure of the police, all the accused had threatened that the deceased will also face the same consequence which was faced by his brother. On the basis of the aforesaid Fard Bayan, the case was registered for offence under Sections 147 and 148 of the Indian Penal Code and Section 26 of the Arms Act. The police thereafter started investigation, and on completion of the investigation, charge sheet was submitted against 15 accused persons for offences under Sections 302 and 202 of the Indian Penal Code. The Chief Judicial Magistrate, after taking cognizance, committed the case to the Sessions Court in view of the fact that the offence was accessibly triable by the Court of Sessions. On framing of the charges, the accused persons pleaded not guilty, and as such they were put on trial. On behalf of the prosecution, 5 witnesses were examined in support of the prosecution case. PWs 1 to 4 are the witnesses on the point of occurrence, and PW5 is the investigating officer of the case. In addition to the oral evidence, the prosecution has also relied upon documentary evidence, that is, signature of the witnesses of the seizure list and Fard Bayan. Stop.